What's going on, guys? Matt over at Easy Auto Spa, and I'm in our clean room. We aren't looking at a car today though. We are looking at a Harley Davidson Road Glide. This is a motorcycle that this client wanted to protect the paint from scratches and from chips and from rock and road debris. And so they came to us. We do paint protection film, as we've talked about on cars, and we're gonna do the exact same thing on this bike. We're covering the tank, we're covering these plastic pieces that cover the engine. We're gonna put the film on here, we trim it out. This is a vinyl that's a thicker vinyl. It is made to absorb, to withstand scratches and to withstand rock chips, to where it protects this paint underneath. When we're done with it, it will look just like this. It'll look like it doesn't have anything on there, but it is now protected, and it's gonna be protected for years to come. If you've got a bike and you're interested in getting some paint protection film, maybe some ceramic coating to make it easier to clean, maybe you've got some custom paint and you really wanna protect that, we would love to chat with you about it. Give one of our teams a call. We're happy to chat, happy to bring you in, consult. This client didn't even know PPF was an option. Once they talked to us, we talked to them about it, we told them what we could do, and now they're here getting it done, and the bike's gonna go home tomorrow. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks so much for watching, guys.